Surarai Potra, an Amazon exclusive release. Must say, what a movie. Now, the credits of this movie. Directed by Sudha Kongara. It's Surya Productions, Studio Productions. The star cast and crew are Surya playing Mara. You have Aparna, Mohan Babu, Karunas, Urvashi, and Paresh Rawal and others. Now, this movie is more on the aviation industry. It's about loosely based on four important topics which have been extracted from the book Simplify of Captain Gopinath, who got the dream of making every Indian fly in an aeroplane, that bureaucracy of the rich flying the plane and the poor flying on bus and train, that particular thing was broken by Captain Gopinath through Air Deccan, and that's the story of Surarai Potra. Now, the performance of all the actors were so real that not even a single scene could I see Surya actually uh, acting there. I couldn't refer Surya as an actor, but only reference him to Gopinath or Mara. The characterization, the dialogues, and the music, the background was simply superb. That it always tells you this movie is actually a very good one at this point of time when lot of people in the pandemic are losing hope, and this movie should certainly release in theatre. Music needs a special mention in this movie done by G.V. Prakash. At every scene you can see Surya, Aparna and the others, Urvashi, Karunas, Paresh Rawal, all of them performing, and then you have the background music giving that element of elevation. Kudos to G.V. Prakash for giving superb BGM. Songs, I would say there were more background songs in the first half. The second half was evenly paced. The movie runs for almost 2 hours 33 minutes, and I would say 10 minutes shorter or lengthier would have spoiled the entire plot. The hero of this movie is Captain Gopinath. The story, the screenplay, writing, and the performance. All these come together to give us Surarai Potra, a wonderful movie. Now, what this movie actually does is it gives you certain things. Now, you feel you go to a movie, you watch it for sheer entertainment. Entertainment, yes, it gives you that entertainment, but beyond that, it's a theatrical experience what you will really be missing in this particular movie, because a theater is a place where you have different class of people coming together and watching this movie in a single forum. The same concept is what Captain Gopinath wanted. He wanted everyone to fly, and that's why you see the logo also as R.K. Lakshman's The Common Man. That was Air Deccan's logo. Now, this movie gives you dream, hope, you perceive it, and then you achieve it. So, come what may, if you have a dream, you will just break that particular fear. Now, when I say fear, I say it as fight everything and rise. Now, that's how I denote fear, and that's what exactly Mara has done in this movie. How many obstacles and how he comes forward. The 2-3 people, the friends who come together and who actually etch this entire Deccan Airways is done cinematically too good. The first scene itself gives you how well it is taken, and then the narration goes back and forward, and then the screenplay is so smooth, there's nowhere lag, you never feel it's getting bored, you want to sit laid back and watch it. It's actually giving you that sense of, will Mara win? Will he win in the end? His entire village is waiting for him, and that's how the movie is taken. And in the end, there are a lot of classic scenes like his father's death scene, then you have the first introduction scene, and then the last climax scene. All these where all the people come and get down from the plane and they cry out, and it really brings tears in everyone's eyes. The movie is done very well. Kudos to Sudha. And Sudha's favorite pal would be Madhavan, and in the end credits, Madhavan speaks about Captain Gopinath, how the low cost airlines, what was the competition between his rivals. Paresh Rawal comes as the mentor for Mara, but later on becomes the main person to bring down that particular airlines with lot of twists and turns. But eventually, truth, dream, passion wins, and that's what they've shown in this movie. We would certainly want this movie to be released in theatres now that the theatres are slowly opening with 50% capacity. Surya Productions, please talk to the theatre owners and get it released there. Let the OTT platform also be there, and the theatre, let them parallelly exist, and we would certainly want to watch it again. This movie has got repeat value because the scenes, the way Surya has acted in this movie as Mara, I could only reference it as Gopinath. So kudos to the entire department. Camera work needs a special mention. It is really outstanding. They've gone to the 1987, 1993, 2003, all these places they've gone really nice, and then it comes out. Now, you will only want Mara to have his passion going, but only with his passion things don't work up. And then at home, if you don't have people supporting it, the entire dream fails. And why, if you have a wife like Aparna who gives you that amount of determination, who scolds you at the same time, she feeds you as well, and then she gives you that confidence, what is that ego, all those, the love angle between Mara and his wife is shown exceptionally well. Kudos to the screenplay. The whatever was the writing, I think it's come 2-3 folded more in the screenplay, and who else than Surya to perform. Now, I can tell you 5 years, I think 5 years or more, Surya has not got a hit, but this movie, Surya is back. That much is certain. Now, he is acted as Mara or Captain Gopinath. Superb stuff. Okay, now I've spoken lot of positives in this movie. Now, where I see the movie really lacks is only on one particular thing. That is the songs. In the first half, I felt the number of background songs, there were only 2 or 3 songs mainly there, but lot of small tidbit songs were going on in the back end, which really I felt were not necessary, and lot of too much of slow motion was also there. So that, I think, if it could have been reduced another say 5-10 minutes, if it could have been reduced 2 hours 20 minutes, should have been a real good length for this movie. This movie needs to be watched by everyone at this point of time, because hope is the only thing which will lift us up, and this movie gives us that. Now, on Vicky's Clicks, we are very happy with this movie. Please watch it on Amazon Prime exclusive, and it's a clean, neat, positive, uplifting movie, and we are going with a 4.9 on 5. Thanks for watching.